Hey guys, what's up? It's Chad. Hope your week's going very well. Wanted to catch up real quick here, although it's been really boring. So up on your screen today, I have the S&P 500 SPX over the last month, 6 weeks almost, and it's all basically within a 1% trading range. So if you see down here, this bottom red line that I put on here is at 2160. The top is at 2187 and in between is 2175. So you can see for 2 or 3 weeks it just stayed between 2160 and 2175 with barely any move whatsoever. I thought there was going to be some action right here on the second, but no go. Went back into this range and actually went into this upper range between 2175 and 2187.88. Looked like there was going to be a little bit of action when the market moved up here on the 15th, but again, didn't do that there either. I tried to pop out yesterday, but this is a pretty bearish candle. This is a bar, open, high, low, close. But if this is a candle, it'd be pretty bearish with the long handle on the top, the long wick on the top, and then the open and close near the bottom. So not much action there too. Today, about the same thing. So we stayed from the top of the range to the bottom of the range and closed within this range again. So we'll see if we end up leaving this range. So really boring. So what I really wanted to talk about today was Kobe Bryant. So I don't know if you saw, but Kobe Bryant started a venture capitalist fund with a friend of his, Stibel, I think is his name. He was a CEO at web.com, and then he was also the CEO at Dun & Bradstreet. So he's got some good credentials there. Kobe and he have invested in like 15 companies so far, and they decided to get together, pool their money, about $100 million, and start a venture fund. So this is all pretty great and awesome and kind of follows along with, Shaquille O'Neal's an investor, Carmelo Anthony's a big investor, and then if you watch CNBC, LeBron James just came out with a new TV show called Cleveland Hustles. So he's investing. So it's a pretty interesting time. But the one thing that really got me about what Kobe was saying was they asked him why he wants to do this and what he wants to be remembered for. And as a fan of the Lakers and a fan of basketball, he really downplayed the championships that he's won. So he's a Hall of Famer, guaranteed. He's won lots of championships, not as much as Michael Jordan, but a lot, 5, I think. And he had an incredible career, but what he said was that the championships will come and go, and there'll be a new championship this year, which is true, but that doesn't degrade the value of all the championships that he won. He was really downplaying his entire basketball career, which is really unfortunate because you really have to respect a guy like that who's won so much. And, it sort of disrespects a lot of the greats that went before him, like the Michael Jordans, the Dr. J's, the Magics, Larry Birds, all these guys. I'm sure they don't like to hear that. It was really kind of a bummer for me. I think if he was being a little more honest, maybe he would say that he needs a job now because he's retired and he's bored, or that he just wants to be a productive member of society and do something worthwhile, or that he's just got so much money he needed something to do with it and was tired of just investing in index funds or bonds or whatever he invests in. But I think that would be a little more genuine and a little more honest, I would think. Because if he really doesn't respect all the championships that he's won, then that's really a shame. Because as a fan, I respect the championships. I respect them every year. The Super Bowl, NHL, MLB, they're all incredible achievements, and they should not be downplayed. Anyway, just my 2 cents. And actually, if you ask a 10-year-old what he knows more about, it's probably sports. I I think they're the 10-year-olds that know ticker symbols are pretty far and uh, far apart here. I don't think there are very many of them. So anyway, I think he's had a very lasting impact on society and on kids and on the future through his basketball career. And anyway, so that just kind of irked me when he said that. So feel free to comment and let us know what you think. But I do wish Kobe the best of luck in his investing career, as I wish you as well. Hopefully, y'all are doing well out there. I know not too many people have made money this last 6 weeks, as we can see how boring it's been. But hopefully, we are all positioned for the next move, whether that's higher or lower. We'll see. All right. Have a good Wednesday night and rest of the week. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.